Matcha!
Uy, ang dami nilang laman ah.
Temporary matcha powder ko from another brand.
Uy, grabe naman. Sobrang generous.
Currently watching Law and Order. It's so great. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time.
Hello, good afternoon. I just got home from work and dumating na ang aking order. Ha! Let's open it! Ang amats ko lately ay coconut milk sa aking kape. So I decided to try out Nadine's Dehusk Coconut Milk. Wait lang. Wait, sobra naman naman. Here they are. Wow, uy, ang dami nilang laman ah. Fairness, for a 1 liter. Ang dami niyang laman. Mabigat siya. Hopefully, magustuhan ko. Kasi dalawa agad yung binili ko eh. Hindi pa isa lang eh. Chill and shake me. Oh, sabi. Okay, this is dairy free. Which is good. Because I'm lactose intolerant. Pero kumakain ako ng ice cream. Umiinom ako ng kape. Hindi dairy free ang milk. Kaya meron lagi kami bonded ng CR. And matagal ko na nakikita to kay Nadine. Pero hindi ako willing mag-try kasi it's a coconut milk. But then, lately, ang naging amats ko ay coconut milk sa aking coffee. Sana masarap siya. Sana masarap. Sana masarap. Babalitaan ko ay masarap.
I just got a new matcha powder on TikTok shop. Hinintay ko pa kasing mag-restock yung Yummy and yung Uji matcha na ginagamit ko. Pero for now, bumili muna ako ng temporary matcha powder ko from another brand. Nature Bite? Natura Bite? Hindi ko maalala. Basta, it's this one. Hopefully it's good.
Alam niyo yung meme ni Maris na umayan akong mag-watch. 12:20 na. Pero tinatawag pa ako kumain. Also, may kape pa rin ako. Kita. By the way, I'm using the Dehusk coconut milk. So good. Less restroom trips for me. Because the milk is dairy free. I need to finish this early kasi I'm stuck nito. Sobrang lakas na nila. Kasing arte. ASMR. I'm gonna have lunch. Dito muna ako sa table ng nanay. Nandiyan ako sa sarili kong ketchup. I'm watching Wicked again. Right, time check, it's 4:19 in the afternoon. And I just finished encoding. My hands are so tired. 1,486 cents. Alright, time to go home. May i-unbox na naman po tayo sa vlog na ito. Wala tayong magagawa, madilim na naman yung video. Anyway, we're gonna unbox this. If you guys didn't know, I started junk journaling. I do journal, matagal na, pero hindi ako nag-junk journal, but now I'm junk journaling. Look at that. I got this from TikTok. Let's open this. Ano ito? Wait lang, hindi ko matandaan kung alin to. Ito ata yung blue stick. Parcel number 1. I think I know what this is. This is the sticker. Yan. Kita niyo ba? It's so cute. Right? Right? Ay, may bulok-lok siya to. Flower siya. Let's open it. This is a journal kit. This one is a cutter. Tolos. Sobrang slay. Nakakamatay ba? Joke lang. Ball pen. This one is this. Fountain pen. Uy, grabe naman. Sobrang generous. Oh, I finally have this. Ito yung tape. Actually, correction tape siya. Shit. Hindi ko tatanggalin yung flower. It's cute. That's what I got off of TikTok shop. Actually, kahapon ko lang to chinek out. Kasi naka next day delivery siya. Pag bumibili ako ng something online, or kapag yung specific na bagay na gusto ko is galing China, hinahanapan ko talaga namin. Imposibleng wala nito sa Pilipinas. Okay, I have another work to do, pero we'll see. Pag hindi ako tinaman. Guys, lapis siya, tangina. Kala ko fountain pen, gago. Uy, grabe naman. Sobrang generous. Hinahanap ako ng tube, tapos kinalog ko, meron siya sa loob. Ayun, oh. Eraser. Over. Lapis pala siya. Scheduling my first vlog after 2 years. 4 p.m. tomorrow. My God. Here we go. Yes. Alright. It's scheduled. See, all my previous vlogs are unlisted. Good afternoon. Currently 1:43. Grabe, sobrang lakas ng ulan kagabi. I'm working. Lumipat ako dito sa kwarto ko kasi may biglaan akong meeting. I just stayed here kasi mag-edit na rin naman ako. And had my lunch. Actually, I'm not in the mood of vlogging today kasi dami ko kailangan gawin. But we're gonna stay committed here in this vlogging thing again. Currently watching Law and Order. Yun yung nadidinig niyong ingay. I'm waiting for a delivery today. I mentioned na bumili ako ng dilim girl. Is that okay or is it worse? I don't know. I don't have my Apple Watch kasi nga naiwan ko siya sa bahay ng tita ko and hindi pa ako nakakabalik. So pupunta sila dito tomorrow. Sana dala nila. Sana hindi na makalimutan. Yeah, it's hard. I can't have a mirror in here so you can see it. Anyway, hinintay akong deliver today kasi na-mention ko na bumili ako ng matcha from another brand. It says it's out for delivery na. So the matcha have arrived. Nabuksan ko na siya. Actually, I filmed na binubuksan ko yung parcel ko pero girl, di pala ka nagre-record. Here's the matcha. Sobrang dami niya na for 179 pesos. This is 100 grams. Wow. So yeah, we're gonna try this with my dehusked coconut milk. Kaya ako bumili ng dehusked. Gusto ko nga siyang matry sa matcha. Because I've watched so many videos na nilalagay nila yung dehusked coconut milk sa matcha nila. And they said it was good. So we're gonna give it a try. Let's make some matcha! Nag-iiba yung quality ng audio kapag nakaklip yung mic. Tignan nyo. You know, nadidinig nyo? Nadidinig nyo yung quality. Anyway, nakalimutan ko na kung paano gumawa ng matcha. Oh my lord, everything keeps on... Taste test. Wala pa na akong mic. Taste test. It's so green. Look at that. Wow. Wow. This matcha powder is so good. Hello? I love it. If gusto nyo i-try, ililink ko siya sa baba. So this is what I did. So binupit ko yung fries na design dun sa ito yung lagay ng fries ng McDo. And then I put love ko to. Sabi. Yes yan. Yan. Simple lang. Please. Hindi ako creative pagdating sa mga ganitong bagay. I'm just starting. But I love what I did here. It's cute. This cute little fries.